Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever felt like your online shop is just blah? Like it's missing that special something? Well, in this video, we're diving into JupyterX and Elementor to create a stunning custom product archive page that'll wow your customers. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor. No Elementor Pro needed. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the Layout Builder, where we can visually build out all of our website parts. Now I'll click Product Archive so we can begin customizing that shop page. Next up, I'm going to click the Add New button to create our new product archive layout. Alright, let's give our new layout a name by clicking in this field. Give my template a name? And click Create. Okay, great. We're now inside of Elementor, ready to build our custom product archive page. We can choose to begin with a pre-made template to save time by clicking on this menu. Find the product archive category and choose one of the pre-made templates by clicking Insert. For this tutorial, I'll start with an empty canvas. Now I'll click into the Search Widget field so we can find the exact widget we need. I'll type Product into the search field. This filters down to all the product-related widgets. Now let's drag the Products widget right into the Drag Widget Here area. Alright, let's click this drop-down under Filter. This lets us choose how we want to filter the products being displayed. Now I'm going to select Current Archive Query from the drop-down. Using the Current Archive Query setting dynamically displays products based on the category we are currently viewing. For example, if we're on the Hats category archive, it will only show hats. Now I'm going to click Add Condition. Next, I'll click this drop-down to select the condition type. I'll select WooCommerce, and then choose All Product Archives to apply your template across all archive pages. To create different templates for categories, tags, or other conditions, simply repeat the process and set conditions for each. I'm going to choose All Products Archive from the drop-down. This will apply our custom layout to the main product archive page. I'll click Save and Close to save these conditions. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. We've successfully transformed a basic product archive into a beautiful, branded shopping experience using JupyterX and Elementor. Now you can unleash your creativity and build product pages that truly stand out. Remember to experiment with different layouts and widgets to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!